Hey there, content creators! Ready to turn ChatGPT into your money-making sidekick? Let's dive right in and see how you can cash in on this AI goldmine. First things first, you'll need to get your hands on a ChatGPT API key from OpenAI's website. Don't worry, it's super easy. Just head over to OpenAI, sign up, and grab your key. Boom! You're halfway there. Now, the key to making money is to find a profitable niche. Think about what people are willing to pay for. How about tech support? Everyone needs help with their gadgets, right? Or maybe online tutoring? Education is always in demand. Pick a niche and stick to it. Next up, crafting engaging prompts. This is where the magic happens. You want your ChatGPT to be as helpful and engaging as possible. Create specific, clear prompts that guide the AI to give valuable answers. For example, instead of just asking for math help, say, "Can you help me solve a quadratic equation?" See the difference? Once you've got your niche and crafted prompts, it's time to set up shop. You can integrate ChatGPT into your website, app, or even a simple chatbot on social media. Make sure it's easy to access and super user-friendly. Promote your new service through social media, email newsletters, and word of mouth. Offer free trials or discounts to get people hooked. And don't forget to ask for feedback. The more you improve, the more customers you'll attract. All right, folks, there you have it. A quick and easy guide to making money with ChatGPT API. Now, go out there and start raking in the cash. If you found this video helpful, smash that like button and subscribe for more awesome tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.